No, I won't kill him. No, no.
Tell them. Dearie, it's gonna be perfectly fine, okay? You wanna know why?
Why?
Because we have each other, dearie.
I
We
know.
have our love.
I
You
know
know that, don't you?
Yes, but the fridge.
Shh. Don't worry about that. Just love me.
I know, but the fridge is so scary. It tells me to kill people.
Just shh.
Now, what seems to be the problem? Is there anything we can do that can help you?
Don't tell them, dearie. Just please listen to me. You know you love me.
We can't help you if you don't talk. I think I have an idea. What is the problem?
Well, this fridge, it keeps talking to me, and it tells me to kill people. It tells me to do really bad stuff, and I just don't like it.
And how long has that been going on for?
A couple years, you know, when I got the fridge, I know something was different because it made weird noises and such. I'm just really worried about, you know, my safety and everyone else's too.
Is there anything we can do to help you?
I don't think so. I think it's just there to haunt me forever and ever.
Who exactly is the refrigerator telling you to kill?
Tell them anything! 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 Anything!
Hey, here, get him some water.
No! No! The fridge! No! Not the fridge! No! No! No!
Sweetie, why'd you have to tell them? They didn't need to know. They didn't need to know anything about us, okay? They didn't need to know anything about the refrigerator or me. Or me. It's just our little secret. Now, I'm gonna have to punish you a little bit, okay? Can you just bring your hand up on the table for me? There you go. There you go. Alrighty. Yeah, you know, you have really sweet, sweet hands, you know? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo!
You know I don't want to do this, you know. You know I just want to be myself and I don't want to kill anyone, you know, but why are you doing this to me? No, that doesn't make any sense. I want to be myself. I don't want you controlling me anymore.